I know very well that when you saw this video, you told yourself, oh my goodness, I want to make this, but you are feeling lazy busy. Not that it's your fault, but you think it is very stressful. My dear, it is not too. This is very simple. Just a better way, you know why. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and we are frying some pie. So we will get straight to the point. I have 2 cups of flour. I added some nutmeg, salt, and also 2 tablespoons of butter. Please, 2 tablespoons of butter. I know why I'm saying this. Please, 2 tablespoons of butter, and I've added some water. Okay, add it bit by bit so that the dough will not be hard or soft. Okay, yes, so you mix it very well until the dough is formed. So now we are done. We will set it aside and prepare our filling. I'll put all the ingredients on the screen. Okay, this is simple filling, very, very simple. Simple. Then you just mix it. You are good to go. You don't cook it to cook very well or to become very soft, because when you fry it or when you put it in the pie and you fry it, it is going to cook. So you don't have to waste your time on it. Okay, yes. So it has been on fire for some few minutes, like just a minute. Then now I'm going to add some flour. Okay, about a tablespoon to bring the filling together. As you can see, some water there and some oil. I didn't add oil to what I'm preparing though, but because of the sardine I used. Okay, yes. So now our filling is almost ready. Let me take this opportunity to welcome everyone, and if today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and please, if you are interested, can you subscribe for more videos? Thank you. So our dough is here. I'm just going to use my rolling pin to make it flat, and we are done. So you can cut it into any shape. Okay, you can use your any cutter. You can use your bowl to cut it or anything, but this is how I always do mine, and this is how I want it. Okay, so you can try this one as well, and trust me, the filling is very nice. So my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my video. I do appreciate it. Someone tried my fried pie. Is like a family friend. Okay, and she was telling me that even when I did the pie, ebubu then I was like, oh yeah, and they say me, I didn't ask her, oh yeah, and I was like, is that using my dream baby? She said yes. Let me say and you're rich into me, and she said yeah, we could baking moving mono, and me chiem said I said maybe pro there be we don't use a lot of friend is a butter or margarine. Pro you see. Yes, so please, if you are doing this, you don't use a lot of butter. That is why I was stressing on it. 2 tablespoons of butter. Please don't use a lot of that butter. Okay, I beg you. So now we are frying, and ta-da! Our pie is ready. It's ready. You see, it's stress-free, very, very stress-free. So please try this and you are going to love it. Do not forget, please, to follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, TikTok at exhibiting_recipes_250, lovely_Mina_1992 is also our Instagram handle. Just look at that, so beautiful. As I were for no, so as yes here na when you are na say me be mu de chewa who de peche like that as a delay mackerel. See you in the next video. Bye.